Hello and welcome to our Eat, Learn, Celebrate moment. I am Chef Jon.
I'm Chad Cooper, and right beside us is Chef Tamara, rolling out some dough.
Rolling out some dough. We've got some moment here for the Eat, Learn, and Celebrate here at NAIT, the Northern Alberta Institute of Technology, here on our Twitch channel, twitch.tv/earnestcooking. And I was inspired, Chad, because I was recently binge watching old cooking shows. And I was watching one and the guy said, "You'll never taste the difference between any kind of salt once it's dissolved in the food." And I thought, that can't be right. So I have kosher salt, sea salt, and table salt. I would argue the three main kinds that we would probably
The
cook with.
common ones you'll find.
Yeah. And I've got them dissolved equally. So 1 gram of salt into 125 mils or half a cup of water. And I've got them here so we can try them.
It's almost like you set up a control.
I set up a control. Right. So let's do kosher as our baseline.
Okay.
Now, kosher salt is mined from the earth.
Yeah.
So it should taste like the earth, I guess.
Salt of the earth.
Salt of the earth.
Tastes like salt water, but
Tastes like salt water. So, I mean, that's a really good baseline.
but it doesn't taste like seawater. It has a little bit of a different flavor to it.
Right. And since it comes from the earth, I wouldn't expect it to taste like seawater. But if you can you see salt?
Salt.
No, you can't. It's dissolved.
Yeah.
The sea salt does, in fact, come from the ocean or from saltwater lakes. They bring in the water and they evaporate it out.
That one I'm definitely getting more like brine, sea, or more like the aroma.
Yeah. It still tastes like salted water, but it also comes in a little bit subtler, I find.
Yes, the kosher salt definitely hits you a little bit more.
Right. A little bit more of a punch. A little subtler. Now we've got the table salt.
Why did you leave this one to last, Chef?
I like it the least. Or so I think. That guy said we won't taste a difference. And salt, table salt, for everybody at home who wants to know, it is the cheap salt. It's the salt that's not, see the look on his face? It's the salt that wasn't good enough for kosher or good enough for sea, and then it gets iodized. About 70 years ago, there was an iodine deficiency here in North America, so they decided to iodize the salt. Why they're still doing that, we don't know. But
I really don't know why.
okay, so that's disgusting.
Yeah.
So what I will say from our analysis here is that yes, there are some minute differences between, say, sea salt and kosher salt. Table salt is disgusting. As long as it's pure salt,
It's salt, but
it's
you can get some different flavors, I think, depending, but very, very mild differences. You have to really
Correct.
be testing them next to each other.
right. Yeah. So that's my Eat, Learn, Celebrate moment. So if you are watching on YouTube, make sure to like and subscribe. And check us out on Instagram and Twitter as well. You can stay up to date with everything that we are producing. And also as well, we're on Twitch, twitch.tv/earnestcooking. Thank you so much for this Eat, Learn, Celebrate moment, and have a good rest of your day.